Kublai shubuni pi barok ki parlok ki bijupet yakini ke channel na kapor shakapor. Hakani ke video ngidan banwan ra IP yakini ke post kamalai kabade jong ke headmaster kane ke post kade direct walk in interview. But kane ke post kande hapo jong ke mau meet SSA but RMSA secondary school kabadan hapo shlong. Te kino ki bukwa ban apply ya kane ke post but katarik jong ke interview ke live ho April hajar penreu tengin page yakni ke advertisement kom bakalong tengah kerpan EP ki bekwa like yakni ke walk in interview page yakni ke video na do basdang adu bantukon kenang ba pentip ki kerdan pule ki beran kam tam ke bailei ber kumno ke rukwam ban apply teki bedang temai yakni ke channel sumpa benda subscribe nang ba pinyo ki jing pentip ki bedei bat ki kam ki balai hapo ki district bapar ki beran hapo jong ka Meghalaya. Ka District School Education Officer and District Project Coordinator Samagra Shiksha East Khasi District nong Rimau Lain Mkrak Shillong ka khot shakani ka walk-in interview na ka banta ka post headmaster on contractual basis hapo jong ka simam Samagra Shiksha mau meet head SSA but RMSA Secondary School kani ka post kadai tang shisnam ka duration jong ka and to be renewed on receipt of fund from the Ministry of Education Government of India. Karta kalong kat prah do lai pu arsnam kat kum ke shetrik Januari arajar penreu relaxation ke desan snam naga bentaki SC but SD candidate kata kalong kat prah do lai pu nyaw snam but naga bentaki candidate ki bedang dan haki service jong ka government aided school karta naga bentaki jongki kedai South Host snam ka qualification pideban pendap ya ka postgraduate ha kano ka stream ringkat bat kabian bat kin kamjet ya ki bedan ya ka sansnam ka experience ha ka teaching ban arsnam ha ka school administration salary ke delai pojar ha ka shibnai ki interested candidate ki bukwa ban appear shakani ka walk in interview ka jaka ka dai po jong ka office jong district school education officer and district project coordinator Samagra Shiksha East Khasi District nong Rimau Lain Mkrak Shillong ka tarik ka dai live ho April arajar penreu Deha kapur berpilih syakatiga walk in interview pide ruban wan lang ya ki dokumen ki jong pi kawai pide ban xerox copy bat kawai pide ban daki original dokumen ki jong pi bat pi hab ruban pendam ya ki application ki jong pi in standard form along with photocopies tegamut pi hab wan arset kawai kedai xerox copies bat kawai kedai original akapur jong ke interview nang bikin yo ban le ya ka verification but ke registration naga bentai ki candidate kan sedang naduk ka kendai steng men step aduk ka shipo steng men step haka te tarik jong ke interview but kanam don ke ti ADA naga bentai ki candidate ki ban attend syakanika walk in interview tikino ki balak pendap ya kini ki kerdan pule pila ban attend syakanika walk in interview naga bentai ka post headmaster salary ke lai pojar ka shibanai Teka ni video tangki ni jim pentip kublai shibuan.